Hello everyone, welcome to BIM Tech. This is Sohail Rizvi this side, and today I am going to explain to you that how do we change the beam section or the shape of the beam in Revit. For doing so, we'll have to change the family of the beam. Let's start. So we'll be changing this from a rectangular section to the chamfered section. Click on the beam and then click on Edit Family in the Contextual tab, and the family of the beams opens up. And to check, first of all we'll have to click on the geometry, that is sweep. So we know that it's sweep, and for sweep we need to change the profile of the sweep. So let's investigate. Let's click on edit sweep, and if you click on select profile, you see that there is a profile family which is loaded into this beam family, and the name of that family is M rectangular beam profile. We can check that family in the project browser under family section as well. So let's change it. Click on the M rectangular beam profile and right click on it. Click on edit to open the profile family. Here, as we can check, the reference level floor plan view is open, and it is showing a rectangular section shape. But still, a lot of things are hidden from us. To reveal them, we'll have to press VV on the keyboard. So VV is visibility graphics override. So we press V and V 2 times. So this opens up for the reference floor plan level. And in the imported categories, no, in the annotation category, we need to click on show annotation categories in this view, and then click on OK. Now we see that we have got some parameters also along with the sketch. So we'll change the sketch, leaving the parameters intact. To modify the beam section shape, we'll click on line, and we'll add a diagonal line at 45 degrees, both the sides. We'll have to trim all this. So we click on trim under modify tab, trim and trim. Let's save as this family. Let's not end up replacing it. Save as family, and I'll make a folder on my desktop. So I'll call it custom beam section, and I'll go into the folder, right click and select, and then here we change the shape, the name to profile chamfered, and in the option bar I'll change the maximum backups to 1, and then click on save. All done. We'll click on load into project and close, and we'll select the project, we'll select the family and click on OK. Now we'll click on select profile, and we change the profile to chamfered 1, which we just loaded. Click on OK, and we'll save as this family. Okay, before doing that, we need to do one last step. So just expand the profiles under project browser, Right click and click on type properties and associate the parameters of the profile to the beam. So we need to do that. That is the height, and the breadth is the breadth, and we click on OK. Now we save as and load it in the project. Save as, and then I'll remove the profile in the name. Consistency is very important when naming the families. Go and save, check with the backups. It should be set to 1 and click on save. And after that, we'll click on load into the project and close. Let's press escape multiple times to enter command and then go to the 3D view. Select the beam and test out. Okay, this one. Let's check the other type. Yes, it's working well. It's working well. Now we change all types to 300 by 600 chamfered. We see it's working. Let's try a curved beam. Let's try a curved beam. So we put the structure tab, we click on beam, and then we use this small size, and we click on arc and click and create from here. It's working well, I think. Yes, it is working well. If you have any doubts, you can come back to me under comments. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.